What's up, everyone? Let's build a client-attracting portfolio website in Canva, from start to publish. First, we'll prep all your assets before building the website. We'll set up a brand kit to keep your site consistent and professional, and create polished mockups to make your work look impressive. Next, we'll design your full website in Canva, with strategic tips to attract clients along the way. And finally, we'll publish your website so it's live, polished, and ready to start bringing in clients. Download and fill in your brand board template. This helps us stay consistent while building the website. You'll need a logo or name mark. Optional, but I highly recommend having one. It instantly makes you look more professional. Fonts. Brand colors. Short bio or intro text. And testimonials or client logos. Next, we'll showcase the design in a mockup. Mockups make your work look professional and polished. You can use Canva's built-in mockup tool, or grab some of my own mockups if you want to level it up a bit. Link is in the description below. Go to Apps, then search for mockups. You'll see a variety of options here. For this example, I'll place this flyer design inside a mockup. Go to the Print section, choose a mockup template, and simply drag your design into it. Keep everything consistent. Use similar lighting and background tones so all your designs feel cohesive. For these mockups, we'll be using Photoshop. If you don't want to install an app, no worries. You can edit the files using photop.com. It works almost the same way. Here's the catalog. Click the template you want, then download the file. Once it's open, go to the Layers panel and double-click the layer named Your Design here. A new tab will open. Place your design. Save it, and close the tab. When you're done, export your image. Open Canva and create new website. For this example, I'll create one for a graphic designer portfolio. Comment below your profession. Who knows, I might create a custom template just for your niche next time. Let's begin with what your visitors see first, the banner or hero section. That's your handshake moment. The first scroll either hooks them or loses them. Pick a template that highlights your best 3 to 4 works. Then add a clear title, subtitle, and call to action. Something that tells people what you do and invites them to click. Let's go with this simple one. This layout immediately showcases what you do, exactly what clients subconsciously look for. Just so you know, this tutorial is more about how to present your portfolio, the setup and process, not really designing from scratch. Even a simple layout can catch attention if you present it right. Now replace the logo and text. Let's add a navigation menu. We can ask AI to create it for us so we don't have to do it manually. Just go to Ask Canva and type your prompt. Then choose one of the options. Let's change the colors. Use your brand guide. Every color tells a story. It triggers emotion before clients even read your text. So make sure the feeling fits your message. Make sure your palette matches your niche. For example, if your target clients are in wellness or eco-friendly brands, avoid heavy colors. They clash with that calm, natural vibe. Magenta isn't wrong, it's just strong. Fonts have personalities too. Pick typefaces that fit your audience. Soft and airy for lifestyle brands, bold and geometric for tech or corporate clients. It's case by case, so stay creative but intentional. Next, drag in your best 4 to 5 works, and add buttons here to give them options for what to do next, instead of just scrolling. Next, let's move to the About and Services section. Add a new section and select this template. Your copy is your silent salesperson. Words sell the story behind your visuals. Keep it short, clear, and confident, especially your About and Services. Clients don't want your life story. They want to know who you are, what you do, and why they should trust you. Numbers turn emotion into proof. Drop a few like 20 plus clients served, 300% engagement growth, number of projects completed. Now let's move to the portfolio section. Choose a clean layout, then drag in your mockups. High-quality mockups make your work look like a brand, not a hobby. Clients don't just buy visuals, they buy confidence, and mockups help you show it. Show before and after views or quick case studies if you can. Make sure to focus on how it will relate to your target client. Add a clear call to action. It guides visitors to take action. Keep it obvious but inviting. You want them thinking, "Oh, I can hire them right now." Make your button text actionable. Instead of "hire me," try "start your next design project." Now the trust section. Include 2 to 4 short testimonials or client logos. If you don't have clients yet, get peer reviews or mock testimonials from passion projects. It's all about showing that people value your work, even if it's from personal pieces. I tweaked the template since the image isn't needed. And finally, one of the most important parts. Make your contact information easy to find. Add multiple contact paths, email, phone number, or direct link. Use professional domain and email. It's a small detail that instantly multiplies trust. Make them effortlessly reach you. Now let's check it. Click Preview on the top right to see how it looks. Once everything looks good, click Publish Website. Canva gives you a free domain, but if you want your site to look more professional, I'd recommend connecting your own custom domain. It's easy to set up, and it instantly levels up your brand. When that's ready, hit Publish. And just like that, your portfolio website is live. If you still need help building or designing your site, just drop a comment. Good luck with your portfolio, and I hope you land some amazing clients soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.